Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this very easy, sophisticated, classic makeup tutorial for you guys. This is not meant to be very complicated at all. This is supposed to be very quick, using as less minimal products as I possibly can, yet keeping it very natural, very wearable, really for any occasion. You don't have to wear this to a party or a holiday party in particular. You can throw on this look at any time. So if you want to know how to get this really easy look, then let's get started. Okay guys, so we are going to be starting off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. You guys know that I love this primer. It's lovely, hydrating, and perfect for the dry winter season. Sticking with the hydrating theme, I'm going to be using the Becca Aqua Luminous foundation for this. I'm in the shade medium. It's a beautiful olive tone. It is light to medium coverage. It still provides lovely radiance to your skin, but without looking very overpowering. And the brush that I'm using is the Real Techniques setting brush. It is a small tapered blush. It's a small tapered brush, as you guys can see, but I like this because I can really buff it into the skin and work the product in. For the concealer, I am going to be going in with the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Yes, I know that this is a foundation, but the reason why I like using it as a concealer because this has a very light consistency underneath the eyes, but provides a really full coverage. So it has the coverage of a concealer, but not the thickness of a concealer, which is why I love this for a lightweight, more natural days. Picking this up on the same brush and applying it just under the eyes like so. And then I'm going to blend this out with my finger because I find that that is best to melt the product and work it into the skin. And because it is a more cool toned pinky peachy shade, it'll help to counteract the darkness underneath the eyes. Next, I'm going to use the Mercier setting powder to set, and I'm using the same brush. This is the same Real Techniques brush, but I just have a new one. And because I didn't use any cream contouring for the center of the face to highlight, I'm just using this powder to lightly brighten. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Baked Luminous Glow Bronzer. This is in the shade Sweet Tea. It is a glowy bronzer, so if you don't like the shimmer, you can definitely go with something like the Hoola bronzer, or the Cover FX has a good one as well, but as you can see, it just gave my skin a beautiful shine and still helped to warm it up with a slight bit of contouring. When it comes to blush, I have two options for you. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Keep It Peachy. This is a beautiful, soft peach tone blush. And you guys have seen me use this in quite a few videos and I absolutely love it, but it is a very matte blush. Now, because I am still sticking to the theme of luminosity and glowiness, I'm going to go in with this bronzer. Actually, it's by Milani, but it has a very beautiful peachy tone to it as well. And this is in the shade Dulce, but it also has some gold reflex, so it's not like a flat matte blush or bronzer, but I use it as a blush. And I'm using the same Sonia Kashuk 113 brush to apply. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this one from Nars. It's called Forte France, and it's a beautiful, soft, almost like a champagne highlighter. It's very close to Champagne Pop by Becca, but it's not as bright. It's a little bit more subdued. It's great for every day. I'm going to go in and set my face with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the eyes, and the eyes I'm going to keep it very, very simple. Again, it's supposed to be a very quick, out-the-door party makeup look. So I'm going to go in with this pencil from Nudestix. This is called Twilight. Just roughly blending this in. And then I'm going to take my NYX Retractable Eyeliner here and just tightline. And this is just to add a base for the lashes that I'm going to go in with. You obviously don't have to, but for this look I will be applying some falsies. I want to deepen out the outer crease just a little bit, so I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. This is an old version of the Comfort Zone palette. They have come up with a new one, which I have here as well, but for some strange reason, I still prefer the formula of the old one, and as you can see, I use this shade a lot, and it is well loved, so I'm just going to use this one in the palette and just darken up the outer crease ever so slightly. And for that, I'm just using a flat shader brush from Real Techniques. I'm quickly going to apply some mascara and some falsies, and I'll come back and finish off the lips. Alright guys, so for my false lashes, I'm using these. These are from Velour. They're called No Drama. They're actually the Effortless Lashes collection. They're not supposed to be very heavy. They still look very natural, but still give you a very realistic curly eyelash effect, and still opens up the eyes, which is what I really love about these lashes. And they're actually very easy to apply on. The last step are the lips. So I'm going to be using this liner from MAC. This is called Cork. Another really good lip liner for this look would be Oak by MAC. Actually, I prefer that one rather to Cork, but I can't find that right now. And on top of that, I'm going in with this Dose of Colors lipstick in More Creamer Please. And for a little bit of added gloss on top, I'm using the Skinny Dip Lip Topper from Jouer. Alright guys, this is the finished makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think and what are your plans this holiday season. Are you going out on vacation? Are you staying in and just having a quiet family time? Just let me know down in the comments below. And anything else really that you guys want to see on this channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you're new here, please do subscribe, hit that notification bell. Happy holidays everybody, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!